In this section, I would like you to speak loudly the main points of moving away safely. It will help you for your own driving lessons when you're driving the instructor, and now you're going to watch a driving lesson after this main points. It will help you to memorize and it will be easy for you to deliver when you are driving. So let's go towards to main points. Driving lessons for moving away safely. Before we start the driving lessons, it's very crucial and important for every single of you to recap what we have learned previously. So let me give you a recap, which is first lesson we have done it, which is setting your cockpit drill, which is a door, seat belt, steering wheel and mirrors. The difference between the mirrors you need to know, which is a flat mirror, which is your interior, or a back mirror, which is in your car, which give you a true picture what you have at the back. The convex mirrors, they are side mirrors, the right and the left. They are untrue image, and whatever you see in them, they are smaller and further away. The last thing is your foot controls. We have covered previously, you have two pedals on the floor in an automatic car and you use your right foot for both of them. Do not press both of them together. The right pedal is your gas or accelerator, which you use gentle and apply slowly, and the brake pedal, which is on your further left, which is a bit harder than the gas, and whenever you apply progressively, but you start with the pressing gentle, which is a half and half more. Let's go towards to our driving lessons. First of all, we need to start the car. As we covered previously, press the brake all the way down and press the power button and start the car. This is a modern car, hybrid electric vehicle. There will be no noise of this car, and the car will show up on the screen by the name of EV, which is electric or ready. These are the modern cars will say. Next, you need to prepare the car while you're pressing the brake. Bring the gear stick or a gear lever to the drive. Once in a drive, leave the gear lever in a drive because this is the automatic gearbox and will change according to your speed. Next is a handbrake. Release the handbrake by lifting up, pressing a button all the way handbrake down. You must release the handbrake because you have a full control in your foot brake. In an automatic car, inform the people with the right signal, which is pushing up the lever, and you can see it's making a click noise and other people know that you're moving away. Now before you move off, look around, starting with the left shoulder, which is over left shoulder. Look for blind spots which does not cover by your left mirror. Look for the other people, especially for the cyclists and other cars. Then the left mirror for the cyclists and the people and other traffic all moving away. Then you look at the back of your car for other cars and a traffic. Same time give you a clear view who's behind and how far they are. Now you look at the front as far as you can see for the road ahead to be clear. Now you need to, after that, look in a right mirror for the traffic and maybe overtaking or somebody is passing. Now before you move off, over right shoulder, which look for the blind spot, do not cover by your mirrors, and it's very crucial, you must show this in every move before you move off. Before you set off, you need to ask yourself that is it clear by looking well ahead before moving off. As you decided to move off, you need to take the foot off and brake. Very important to know that you take the foot off from the brake completely without pressing the gas. Most of the cars are modern car, they move by itself. While you're moving, you look well ahead, whereas your eyes look, your hand will follow. In this situation, you just need to a little bit stare and look well ahead. As far as you can see, approximately about 20 cars distance, you can scan the whole road. The parked cars are moving, and look well ahead. While you're driving, you do not need to press the gas and keep moving as slow as possible. Just give you a right understanding how the car is moving. This is a moving away as a normal position. Now I would like to share with you very shortly how to move off an angle. We will do the same sequence. We prepare the car already, and before we move around, look around, left shoulder, left mirror, back of the car, front of the car, right mirror, and finally over right shoulder. Mind you, you're moving off an angle or behind a parked car. This is one of the exercise you have to show in the test. When you're moving away, you can see the white one is blocking your view. You must move as slow as possible so you look far ahead. If it is safe, you move. If any point you see the car is coming ahead, you prepare to stop, let the car pass by. So this is the moving away as a normal or at an angle as well, which we cover both of them, and this is one of the things you have to show in the test to examiner. Moving away safely. Examiner's instruction and a direction. In your test, examiner will tell you very clearly that I would like you to move off when it's safe. Or examiner will say prepare the car and drive off when you're ready. Examiner will ask you to do this 5 to 10 times. They ask you 2 times as a normal place to move away. 1 time they will ask you move behind a parked car, which is called move off an angle. And 2 times they will ask you to move away as a normal road with the speed limit is 30 miles an hour. This is the crucial things which the examiner will ask you to do during your test. And throughout the test, you must show them all the procedures which I have just shown you in your driving lesson. Highway Code Rules Explain. Highway Code Rule number 159 says before move off, you should use all mirrors to check the road is clear. Look around to check the blind spot, the area you are unable to see in the mirrors. Signal if necessary before moving out. Look around for a final check. Move off only when it is safe to do so. And 160, it says once you move off, keep to the well left unless road signs or marking indicate otherwise. The exemptions are when you want to overtake, turn right, or park vehicles or pedestrians in the road. So now we have covered this. Now let's go towards the next section. Driving Test Report Explain. This is the sheet where the examiner mark you regards to a moving off safely. This is the important. You need to know what you are going to face on the day of the test. So make a screenshot or a download and start to look into it and read it about it. Now I'm going to read you what the examiners are looking for you in this marking sheet. Move off. You need to show that you can move away on a level, on a slope, and at an angle safely under full control, taking effective observation. Move off only when it is safe to do so. Now we have completed all the aspects, all the areas for the moving off. Let's see you in the next video.